What's up everyone, I'm Garrett. I'm going to show you how to put a screen protector on a Nintendo Switch for you to be able to apply at home. I'll show you how to do it from the start. Let's just jump right in and get protecting. Okay, so this is how you do it. So what you want to do is you want to make sure it's flat. So you want to take off those controllers. So now it's just the screen itself. From there, you get your screen protector and you open the box. There we go. So it comes with the screen protector and a few other things. This is super useful to have. Basically, the screen wipe, so you get the wet wipe and then you get the dry wipe, and then you've got the actual screen protector itself. Okay. So that's what the screen protector looks like. So I'm going to show you how to apply it. So what you want to do is you want to get your wet wipe and you want to clean your screen. You want to do it in a circular motion so you get all of it in. So that way you don't get any dust particles under the screen protector. After that, you want to do the same with the dry wipe. Make sure it's nice and dry. So that's how you do that. Then after that, you want to sort of get more dust particles off just by swiping that screen protector over it. Then you sort of want to line it up appropriately to the device so you get like an idea of how you want to put it on. Yep, and then you want to sort of pull it close to you so you're looking over it. So what you want to do is you want to take that thing off. You get like you want to take it off and then quickly apply it so that way there's no dust particles under that screen protector. And then you just want to slowly put it on, making sure that it's all aligned up. There you go. Then what you can do, once it's aligned up, is put your finger straight through it so there's no bubbles in the middle. So that's what it looks like. And then it will literally do it itself. It's pretty satisfying to watch. See, there's a little bubble. So what you do when there's a bit of a bubble, you can get like I don't know, I'm just gonna use like an EB Games card. So you get like a card, and then what you can do is just push it up a little bit. If there's any sort of minor bubbles or any scratches underneath the screen, what it will look like is there might be a bit of bubbling over those scratches just because there is a dent in the screen. But in this case, we've got a really perfectly applied screen protector here. So that's how you apply a screen protector onto a Nintendo Switch. Thank you for watching.